Hi everyone, let's unbox the Magic Leap 2 today. The box that I have in front of me is our enterprise model. And within the enterprise model, we have 3 different software editions: our base, developer pro, and enterprise editions. These editions are purely just software differences. There's no hardware difference between the 3. Now let's open it up. The first thing that you'll see when you open the box is our Magic Leap 2 carry case. This box is designed to go wherever you go, and it protects your Magic Leap. So we designed it to be fairly slim and light, so it can easily slide into a backpack. Now let's open it up. So the first thing that you'll see in here is our QR code up top. This will link you to our quick start guide and safety tips. Inside the carry case, you'll see here the handy slot for prescription inserts. Now the Magic Leap 2 doesn't come with prescription inserts, but it's something that can be purchased separately online. The device does come with frame inserts, and these are pre-installed and magnetically attached so they can easily come off. And these inserts have these eye cups here to reduce rainbow effects when working under bright lights. Now let's take out the pieces. This is the headset, and it's coupled with this compute pack and our controller. The Magic Leap 2 headset only weighs 260 grams. That's less than half the weight of many of the other headsets on the market. Unlike the other headsets that have both the compute and the battery pack attached to a user's heads, we separate that into the compute pack right here. This is the compute up front, and this is our battery pack. And we have a gap in between so that this can be easily slid into a pocket. But there's also another way to wear this, which I'll show you in a bit. Now let's talk a little bit about the tech. The Magic Leap 2 has state-of-the-art optics. It has 70-degree diagonal field of view and 120 Hz refresh rate. It has a full suite of sensors to enable a truly immersive AR experience. We have world cameras, an RGB camera, and eye cameras to enable multimodal inputs. So it supports hand tracking, eye tracking, and voice commands. We want to make the device as accessible as possible for everyone. Now let's take a look at the second layer of our box. What I love is how it's organized into this neat grid. On the bottom layer here is all the power and charging cables. We provide 2 USB-C cables. Simply just connect that to the charger right here. And then you plug in the power cables, like so. This layer contains accessories for the Magic Leap 2. On the right here, we have our Magic Leap cleaning cloth. And this below it is the controller wrist strap. So you simply just attach this to the controller, and then you can carry it on your hand. This is our overhead strap. We have a separate video showing you how to use this, but you simply just attach this to the buckles here on the headset. This is our shoulder strap, the second way that you can use to hold your compute pack. So when you unravel this, there's going to be 2 clips, and you simply just use this to clip on either side of the compute pack, and you can carry it crossbody. Lastly, this is our fit kit. Our fit kit contains a few different forehead pads and nose pieces, so you can customize the fit of your Magic Leap 2. Let's take a closer look at what's inside the fit kit. So you simply want to slide this out, and you'll see we have 4 different nose pieces and 2 different forehead pads. You'll want to run the custom fit app on the Magic Leap device to determine what pieces are best for you. So there you have it. Now you've seen what's inside the Magic Leap 2 box.